This video will present solutions to the 2018 VCE Mathematical Methods Written Examination 2, Section A, Questions 6 to 10. Question 6. g of x plus 2 is g of x translated 2 units left. Therefore, g of x is equal to g of x plus 2 translated 2 units right, which will be equal to 3 by x take 2 plus 1, which equals 3x minus 5. And therefore, f of g of x is equal to 2 by 3x take 5, which equals 6x take 10. And hence the answer is D. Question 7. Given that f inverse of 1 is equal to 8, then we know that f of 8 will be equal to 1. In other words, k log base 2 of 8 equals 1. And as we know that log base 2 of 8 is 3, this resolves to 3k equals 1 or k equals 1/3. And so the answer is B. Question 8. We are provided with some information about definite integrals of the function g of x. We're told about the definite integral from 1 to 12, and we're told about the definite integral from 12 to 5. This gives us the result that the integral from 5 to 12 of g of x will be equal to 6. Based on these two results, the integral from 1 to 5 of g of x can be found. It can be done by considering the integral from 1 to 12 of g of x, subtract the integral from 5 to 12 of g of x. In other words, 5 minus 6, which equals minus 1, and our answer is B. Question 9. We are provided with some information about the tangent to the graph of y equals log base e of 2x. As such, the result dy and dx equals 1 on x will be useful, as this can be equated to the gradient of 2, giving us an x value of 1/2. As log base e of 2 times 1/2, or log base e of 1, is equal to 0, we now know that the point at which the tangent is drawn is the point 1/2, 0 on the x-axis. As this tangent has a slope of 2, we can work backwards to obtain the y-coordinate minus 1, and hence our answer is C. An alternative approach to this question would be to use our class pad to obtain the equation of the tangent. To do this, we need to solve the derivative is equal to 2. With this result, we can obtain the equation of the tangent line. From the equation of our tangent line, we can see the y-intercept will be minus 1. Question 10. We are told that the function f has this property. Looking at the possible rules for f, C, f of x equals x, would quite quickly resolve itself to f of x plus x equals f of 2x, and hence our answer would be C. An alternative approach is to judge the truth of the statement for different functions f using the judge command on our class pad. First we will define the function f of x. Here I'm defining a, the first possible function, and now call up my judge command. This can be found in the catalog menu. The undefined response tells me that this is true for some values of x, but not for all values of x, hence it is not our answer. Altering f of x to f of x equals x take 1 returns the response false, as this statement is never true for that function. Altering it once more to f of x equals x returns the response true, indicating that this statement is true for all values of x. Hence our answer C.